In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Clickup for project management. So I'm going to break down the entire Clickup platform in just a few minutes, and this will be great for beginners as I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up your workflow, how you can manage your projects in such a great and effective way. So here we are on Clickup. Now if I just go to the home page, I'll show you how you can get started. So once you sign up for an account, what you can do is go to home and then pretty much set up a new list or a new board. If I click right there, I'll end up on my board. So this is where you're going to do your project management. As of right now, it looks like this. If you're familiar with other platforms, you'll probably notice that it looks very similar to Monday.com and even Asana. However, I use Clickup. I like Clickup even more because the free plan covers a lot of good features that we'll have to pay for on the other platforms. But let's get into how you can get going. So basically how this works is that this is your main workspace. So as of right now, I'm viewing this as a list, but you can also view it as a board, which will then look like this, or as a Gantt. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Anyway, I wouldn't use this. I would always go with lists because as you can see, it gives you a great overview what's going on in your project. So basically what you can do is add your employees or your team members to this specific board so that they can also work in this and then pretty much track whatever they're doing and see what they actually need to do. So we've got complete, we've got ready, and we've got in progress. Now what you can do is add a new task. Let's say that I need to add a new task for the complete or ready or whatever. You simply click right there and you then add it. Now I don't recommend using complete, ready, and in progress as this. I recommend using it in the status bar. So what I'm going to do is simply write down a specific category. So I just changed this specific name to edit. So what I can now do is add a new task for specific videos that needs to get edited. So what you can do is pretty much list the specific job category or the specific task that needs to get done and then add subtasks. So for example, this video needs to get edited. So this is the Clickup project management video. So what you can do is add a specific task on there. And then next up, what I like about this is that you can assign people to that specific task. So let's say that this one is already done. It's not really, I'll just delete that one. Let's see right there. Let's see that the Clickup project management video needs to be edited by Gary. So in this case, what I can do is click on assignee and then assign someone to that specific task. Now, as of right now, I'm the only one in this group, but what you can do is that you can add your team members or your employees to the specific board on Clickup, and they can then work in this as well. And you can then assign them to a specific task. So let's say that Gary needs to edit this video. I can assign him to that. Next up, I can add a due date. So let's say that I need to upload the video next week. What I can do and set as the due date is going to be, let's say, Saturday. So this specific task needs to get done before Saturday so that I can upload it next week. So that's pretty much where you can add your deadlines. You can then give it a priority if you want to. So you can also do this on Asana, which is pretty cool, but on here you can add urgent, high, normal, low. So it depends on kind of like the specific task. Let's say that this is urgent. I can add the urgent priority so that the assignee knows that it's urgent and he or she needs to work on this specific task first. Next up, you can add a status. Now this is great if you want to overview your project, and by doing that you can get a good understanding of what's going on in your business. So what they can do is add the in progress to the specific task so that you know that that specific task is then in progress. You can also list it as done, you can list it as stuck, working on it, all of these different things, these different statuses, so that you know where that specific activity is at, so that if it's not being done yet, you know that you might want to chase that person, that needs to do it. So that's great for your project management because you get a good understanding of what's going on per activity. Next up, you've got budget, spend, and budget remainers. You can also click on the plus icon and add all of this stuff on here. So you can add phone numbers, you can add people, numbers, you can add money, so different currencies, locations, ratings, tasks, text, websites, all of this stuff, which is crazy. Now, this is also why I like Clickup, because on Asana, you only get 3 of these. So you've got the assignee, due date, and then priority, and all of the other stuff on here you need to pay for. However, on Clickup, you don't, which I really like. So Clickup has 2 plans. They've got the free plan and then the paid plan. But apart from that, there's no like complex stuff. They've got almost every single feature already. It's just that the pay plan is a bit better. But that is pretty much how you can use it, especially with the free plan. So what I recommend doing is adding every single person in your team to a board like this, then breaking this down into different categories. So for example, in progress, and then what you can do is add the new task right there. You can then pretty much slide them over and over again, and you can assign people at deadlines, add priorities, statuses, budget, spend, and all of these other things that show up on here. So honestly, what I recommend doing, simply open a board like this, add every single person from your team, and then add all the tasks that need to get done. So that could be task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, you get the point. Next up, assign people to that. So in this case, I'm the only one on here because it's a test one, but what you can do is click on assign the person, and then he or she knows that she needs to do it. So you can also rename it, you can add descriptions, all of it. Let me click right there. If you then click on it, you can see that you can also add descriptions, you can add to do things, so add a subtask. So maybe this is just one big thing, so maybe it's editing the video. You can type that in there. What you can do is scroll down, go to subtasks, and then edit the intro, edit the animation, whatever that may be. Simply break this down, like break down one specific task into multiple subtasks so that it's easier, and they can also check mark that so that when it's done, they can simply do this, check mark it, closed, and you then know that it's done. So that works like that. It's pretty simple. So ClickUp is a good project management tool, especially for beginners and small teams. You can sign up for free if you haven't already. However, if you're watching this, you probably do. But yeah, that's pretty much how I use project management tools. So if you appreciate this video, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like. Let me know if you have any questions, and then I'll be happy to answer them in the comments below, and then I'll see you next time.